What is Systeme.io all about? Hi there and welcome to the Systeme.io all-in-one tool review. If you're an entrepreneur, you probably might be looking at this tool to implement in your business and you're wondering if it's a right tool for your business. What is it all about? How does it work? And today I'm going to share with you all the answers to those questions. I purchased Systeme.io myself, so I'm going to take you into the membership area, and later on I'll even share with you some of the pros and cons of using this particular tool, so then you'll have an informed decision on whether you should purchase this tool or not. My name is Rupesh, and I'd like to take this moment to welcome you to this channel. Usually I talk about programs that help you to make money online, but of course today we're going to talk about a tool that you can use while you are building your business. And if it's your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so that you can be kept up to date on what is happening within the world of online business. Okay, so now the first thing is let's take a look at the official website of Systeme.io and let's see what it's all about. So here we are at Systeme.io, the easiest and the fastest way to grow your online business. It is marketed as a tool that has all the tools that you need to grow your online business. And if you can enter your email address there, that you can get started for free. It's trusted by over 9,000 entrepreneurs, and then they tell you what the main tools are, but we're going to get more into detail later on that. Who said you need technical knowledge? It's a tool that's been advertised where you do not need to have any expertise with regards to coding or anything of that sort. And I'm also going to show you how that works. And then they give you price comparisons with the usual tools and how much cheaper you can save should you decide to sign up with them. Then they have the pricing, which I'll talk about later. Those are the features. Let's just quickly check out their features. Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. So basically what they're trying to say is that all the main tools that you would need normally in your online business, they have them, right? And here's just some of them. The sales funnel, email marketing, website builder, webinars, online courses, blogging and selling your products. And if you go further up, they will have some testimonials, and then they have their blog. So that in a nutshell is basically what the website is all about. But we got to go more deeper into checking out what the program is, what the tool is all about. So now, why do you need a tool like Systeme.io? How can it help you in your business? Let's just say you're an affiliate marketer and you're promoting a product and you earn commissions for every successful sale that takes place. Or let's just say you are a course creator and you've developed your own course and now you want people to purchase the course. Now, most likely you might not get sales, that many sales that you want, just by sending people your link. And for two of the main reasons. The first reason is that the prospect might not be ready to purchase just as yet. So in other words, they are very cold lead, and so they need to be warmed up, and they need to see maybe what the benefits of the product, how much they can get out from the product before they purchase. And you, by just sending a link, might not really give them all that information that they need. And then the second reason why folks might not purchase from you is because maybe they don't even know you. They need to trust you before they purchase from you. And this is the reason why in the online world you need something like a marketing or a sales funnel, because this is very important to take your prospect through the process. First of all, number one, if they sign up to your opt-in or to whatever offer, then it shows you that they're interested to see what it is that you are offering you. So that's a step in the door for them to whatever product that you are promoting. The second thing about the funnel is that it allows them to see who you are, how the product has benefited them, so they can see there's a real person behind the product. They can also see the benefits that they would get from using the product themselves. And then once you have given all of that information, you just send them to the sales page, and this is where they purchase the product. And Systeme.io gives you those sales funnels that you can build. But in addition to it, there's a chance that they might not purchase from you on the very first instant. Maybe they might not have enough money at that point in time, or maybe they still need some time to think, or maybe they're sitting on the center, and you know what, they just needed a little bit of push. And this is where email marketing comes into play, because this is where you can establish that relationship on a regular basis with them. And Systeme.io offers you that email autoresponder where you can send out that email sequences, and once folks get to know you and like you, trust you even more, they will purchase from you. And of course, if you are a course creator, then it will also allow you to build your own course. You have a website builder, which also allows you to build your own websites, and they have various other tools which are necessary for you in your business. All right, so here we are in the membership area of Systeme.io. Now, I just want to tell you that I recently joined. I'm currently using another autoresponder. I haven't moved my subscribers or my leads to Systeme.io. I'm using ConvertKit at the moment, but I will probably do it later as time goes on. But I just want to tell you that I'm very happy thus far with using Systeme.io. So your dashboard area, as soon as you come in, that will tell you the amount of leads that you have generated within the time frame. Then you just click, it will tell you your affiliate dashboard. The sales, this is more particularly when you have a course that you want to sell, then you can actually program the system to tell you the amount of sales that you have made over a time frame. The contacts, this is all your contacts that you made, and you can add tags to the contacts. So if your contact, for instance, has gone through a funnel and they eventually decided to purchase, then you can put a tag onto them, then you can add another email sequence to them and so forth. Funnels. Okay, so let's check out the funnel area. At the moment, I have got 5 funnels. I haven't built this one here, Amazon.affiliate, but I just want to show you how it goes about. If you just click on create, you can build an audience, you can sell, you can build a funnel to create a custom funnel from scratch, or if you're running a course, you can run an evergreen webinar. Now, if you were to click on the Amazon affiliate funnel, as you can see, I haven't done anything as yet. So you can build a squeeze page, a thank you page, then you can even create steps in your funnel. You can name your steps. Now for your squeeze page, you can choose from various templates, and they've got quite a nice range of templates, and it's really quite user friendly to use the Systeme.io funnel builder. For instance, they give you a preview of the funnel. So that's the preview of this particular funnel, and if you want to select it, you just click on select. That particular funnel will then get selected, and you can name it. Let's just say you want to name it. You can name it Amazon 1, and then you can click on save, and you can view the funnel step. Let's just say you want to edit it. So let's click on edit, and I'll just show you how easy it is. There's so many things, but look, if you are a beginner, there's no need to worry about coding or anything like I mentioned earlier on. And first of all, they got text, headline text, bullet lists. Then you can also add a video. If you want to add something, it's actually quite easy. If you want to edit something, you just click on there. But I'll make a more detailed webinar on how you can go about using the funnel builder. But I just want to tell you, it's extremely easy to use the funnel builder, and they also have a lot of tutorials on how to go about doing this. Let's just say if you want to edit this text, for instance, let's just say all the main tools, right? Tools and all the main tools you need to build a 6-figure online business. I just done something very small there just to show you how easy it is. Then here also, if this is an image, so if you want to, you can take it out. You can just click on there. So if you just delete like that, it will tell you, I'll show you want to delete the item. If you want to, you can go ahead and delete the item, or you can actually substitute that image for something else. You can just click on there, and then you can select the file for whatever image you want to put. You can also put a URL onto that particular image. So for instance, if you want this image to be clickable, you can just enter the URL. Then you can also, let's go back, if you want to, you can just decrease the size or increase the size of the image. Like I said to you, just play around with it and you'll get so used to the funnel builder. So let's carry on. Let's leave because we're not really worried about saving. Right, then we got the emails. Now this is if you want to create your email autoresponder. Like I said, I'm using ConvertKit at the moment, so most of my email campaigns are already saved there. But I did create one email sequence, and this is just a sequence that's got 4 emails, and this is that's connected to another funnel, one of my other funnels that I've showed you. It's connected to that, and it's so easy to connect. This just shows you how many emails you sent, how many people were open. They give you the open rate, the click-through rate, and so forth. And then blogs. Blogs is more particularly if you want to create a particular blog, but I haven't done any of it. Your rules, this is with regards to automations. What happens if a certain subscriber signs up to this particular funnel and they reach a certain point? What do you want to do? And then you can program what happens from there. Product and sales, this is more particularly with regards to if you have your very own course that you are selling. And this is a section where you can see how many students and all the bundles that you've created for your courses. And the help area, I want to show you some of that. How can we help you? There's a knowledge base. If you have any questions whatsoever, you just click on the knowledge base and you will find your answers from there. Then they have online training. Now, the cool part is everything that I'm showing you, this part here that I'm showing you, you don't even need to be a member of Systeme.io to access this. Now, there are various funnel builders out there, and I can vouch for it. There's one funnel builder in particular. It's quite expensive, a very famous one. It costs about $97 per month, and it's not even the premium option. You have to pay that fee in order to access the training. Whereas here, take a look at all the features, all the training you get here. Mastering Systeme.io, they give you an overview, how to manage your contacts, how to build a sales funnel. They do a much better job than me explaining to you on how to use their software, how to build a lead generating funnel, how to build a funnel to sell products, how to send and manage your emails, and how to automate your business, how to create membership sites, and you can get started for free. As I said, that's the cool part, is that they have a free membership free membership option. And now let's talk about the pricing for Systeme.io. Okay, some of the Alright, so now to check out the pricing, let's click on pricing of Systeme.io. Choose your plan. Like, as I mentioned earlier on, they have a free membership option, which is $0, of course, and you get 2,000 contacts. All of them got unlimited emails. With the free option, you only get 3 sales funnels, whereas I'm on this one here, which is $27 per month. This one here, you get 10 sales funnels, you get 50 funnel steps, you can do 5 blogs, unlimited blog posts on all of them. Courses, with regards to courses, you can do 1 course. So if you're only selling 1 course, then the free option is perfect for you. And on the other hand, if you are selling 5 courses, 20 courses, you can do the the webinar option, and then they have an unlimited option, $97. File storage space is unlimited for all of them. Automation rules, only 1. Now, automation rules means that, let's just say you want to link up an email sequence to a particular funnel, then that's called an automation, and you can only do that once. Whereas with the $27 option, you can do it 10 times, and $100 times with the webinar option, and unlimited with the $97 option. Then email campaigns, only 1 email campaign here. Tags, only 1, whereas you can do 10, you can do 100, unlimited. 1-click upsells, order bumps, A/B test, you can do 10 here, and coupon codes 10 now. I found that the $27 per month option is perfect for me, and it does a job for me. It gives me the opportunity to get people to see my funnels in a presentable way, and I think that's what's important. Stripe integration. This is if you want to accept payments, right, for your courses. Stripe integration, PayPal integration with all of them. Run your own affiliate program. The email support is all option. Custom domains. Here you can integrate 3 domains, whereas only one on the free option. Webinars. You can only create webinars if you are on the unlimited option and on the what's the $97 option? Sorry, on the unlimited and the webinar option. And one-on-one kickstart coaching is only available on the premium course. And this is basically all the plans include: the unlimited emailing, unlimited file storage, unlimited students, no transaction fee affiliate programs, and online support. They have also got some score a 4.8 review on trustpilot.com, so you can even check that out. But I'm telling you, I'm pretty happy with using Systeme.io. And if you want to check it out and sign up for free, please click on the link that is below this video so that you can go and check it out. Now, let's talk about some of the pros and cons of using Systeme.io. Pros about Systeme.io is that it's very easy to use. You don't have to worry about doing any coding. Their support is really good. On 2 or 3 occasions I needed some help and they responded within a record-breaking time. You have a lot of choice when it comes to choosing a plan to suit your particular budget. The other thing is that they also have an affiliate program which you can make money from, and you have access to it as a free member. And I think the cons, one of the main cons I think, was that when it comes to integrating outside into autoresponders with Systeme.io, it is a bit tricky, but with their support they can help you to get that. Alright, so now who is this software for? It's for somebody who has a product that they would like to promote or a course they would like to sell. It's for somebody who wants to have everything under a single roof, all the main tools to build that solid foundation or the conversion part of their business. The only thing that you need to focus, of course, would be to getting traffic to your actual business or to your funnels, and everything else will take place from there. And it's for someone who's looking for a cheaper alternative compared to your expensive funnel builders that you have out there. As I said, for me, the $27 funnel builder, the $27 option is perfect for me. So I hope that this review of Systeme.io has helped you out and it's given you a clearer picture of what it's all about. And go ahead and give it a trial. It's free to get started. Just click on a link that is below this video to test out this software. And let me know what you think of it once you do test it out. Looking forward to hearing from you and wishing you everything of the best in your online success. Take care and see you in my next video. Goodbye.